and let go. Left leg forward, right leg back, change the side. The same movement, breathing out, go forward, breathing in, come back up. Breathe in, breathe out. In, 2. In, 3. In, 4. In, 5. In, 6. In, 7. In, 8. In, 9. In, 10. So we are done with stretching and strengthening, and let's sit down. If you can sit down on the floor, it's okay. If you want to do it on the bed, that is also okay. Let's do the butterfly. Just simply try to open up your groin region. Because of long sitting hours, what happens is that the groin regions become stiff and that impacts our lower back. Yes? तो बहुत ज्यादा बैठ के जो हमारा ये वाला रीजन ही है स्टिफ हो जाता है. इससे क्या होता है, फिर आपकी पीठ में दर्द आता है. So just try to open it up and slowly go forward and then come back up. One more time, go forward and then come back up. Relax. So that was the initial 30 minutes that we do as a variation. The last 15 minutes will be the set of 16 asanas that we have learned yesterday. If you're not there yesterday, today also you can learn it. No problem at all. आप कल नहीं थे तो कोई बात नहीं. आज हम दोबारा सारे 16 आसन करेंगे. And if you remember from yesterday, try and see if you can keep your eyes closed during the asana. अगर आप आसन में आंख बंद करके करते हैं तो उसका एक अलग ही अनुभूति है. You know, the experience is absolutely different when you do it with your eyes closed. But if you do not remember, it's absolutely fine. It's too much to ask for to remember all the 16 asanas in one day. So थोड़ा आंखें बंद करके थोड़ा खोल के ऐसे मिक्स एंड मैच करके साथ में करेंगे. Breathe in, take your head up. Breathe out, forward and down. Body rotation from the right side 5 times. दाईं ओर से गोल गोल घुमाएंगे. So we are moving from the waist and not the neck. If you notice, my neck is stable and still, only my waist is moving. मैं सिर्फ कमर से गोल घूम रहा हूँ, गर्दन मेरी एकदम स्थिर है. So you start with smaller circles and then you gradually increase the range of your movement. Especially someone with vertigo, make sure that you do small circles. And after this round, let's reverse the direction. From the left side, बाईं ओर से 5 बार करेंगे. गोल गोल घुमाइए. कमर से गोल घूमेंगे, गर्दन को गोल नहीं घुमाना है. गर्दन एकदम स्थिर है. The neck is still. You're moving from the base of your spine. And one more round after this. Very good. Slowly come back up and lie down on your stomach. पेट के बल लेट जाए. It's absolutely fine to do this on the bed, provided it's not too soft. ये बिस्तर पे लेटे लेटे भी कर सकते हैं. अगर बहुत सॉफ्ट है तो शायद दिक्कत होगी. Hands by your side, chin on the floor. हथेलियां बगल में, ठुड्डी जमीन पर. धीरे से दाएं पैर को ऊपर उठाए. Lift the right foot up. Keep your knees straight, toes pointing out. घुटना सीधा, पैरों की उंगलियां बाहर की ओर. Lift up from the waist. कमर से ऊपर उठाएंगे. अर्ध शलभासन. Half locust pose. इमेजिन समवन पुलिंग योर लेग फ्रॉम बिहाइंड. मानिए कि कोई आपके पैर को पीछे खींच रहा हो. द इम्पैक्ट कैन बी फेल्ट इन योर ग्लूट्स एंड योर हैमस्ट्रिंग. जंगा और नितंब में इसका आपको थोड़ा सा प्रभाव अनुभव होगा. और धीरे धीरे नीचे लेकर आए. इतना लंबा समय होल्ड नहीं कर पा रहे, कोई बात नहीं. इफ यू नॉट एबल टू होल्ड इट फॉर सच लॉन्ग टाइम, इट्स एब्सोल्युटली ओके. The same pose with the left side. Half locust pose, left side. Slowly bring your left foot up. बाएं पैर को जमीन से ऊपर उठा ले. Keep your knee straight, toes pointing out. घुटना सीधा, पैरों की उंगलियां बाहर की ओर. Imagine someone pulling your leg from behind. मानिए कि कोई आपके पैर को पीछे से बाहर की ओर खींच रहा है. The impact is again on the left hip and the hamstrings. Slowly bring it down, relax. धीरे से नीचे लेकर आ जाए. Make a fist of your hand, keep it under your groin. दोनों हाथों की मुट्ठी बना ले, जंघा के नीचे रख दीजिए. Lift both the knee, both the legs up. दोनों पैरों को एक साथ ऊपर उठाए. Again, knees are straight, toes pointing out. घुटने सीधे, पैरों की उंगलियां बाहर की ओर. And slowly bring it down. This was Purna Shalabhasan. Relax. धीरे से हाथों को कंधों के नीचे ले आए. Hands under your shoulders. Bhujangasana. Slowly lift up. Lift your head and chest up. There is a variation called as Ardha Bhujangasana where you keep your elbows on the floor. In Bhujangasana, you take minimum support of the hands and use the muscles around your spine to lift up. आप हाथों का सहारा कम से कम लेते हुए पीठ की मदद से ऊपर उठेंगे so that your back becomes stronger. However, if you find that challenging, you can use the support of your elbows and push the head towards the ceiling. Bhujangasana or the cobra pose. Feel the stillness in the pose. And very slowly bring it down, stretch it, stretch your hands forward. हाथों को सामने की ओर लेकर जाए. विपरीत शलभासन, Superman or Superwoman pose. Lift your hands and legs up together. हाथ और पैरों को एक साथ ऊपर उठाए. This is one of the most challenging asanas of the sequence. If you're able to do it, very nice. If you're not, it's okay to lift only your hands or only your legs up. Or just attempt to do it. We are here to attempt, not to be perfect. हमें यहाँ पे कोशिश करनी है करने की. हो रहा है बहुत अच्छा, नहीं हो रहा है कोई बात नहीं. And slowly bring it down, relax. Bend your legs, hold your ankle. Dhanurasana. Slowly lift up. If you find it challenging, do the easier alternative of keeping your elbows on the floor and lifting your head and chest up again. जितना होता है उतना करने की कोशिश करें. Always focus on what we are able to do rather than what we are not able to do. हमेशा मन में ये ध्यान रखना है कि हम कितना कर पा रहे हैं, उस पे हमारा फोकस रहे. जो नहीं हो रहा है वो धीरे धीरे होने लगेगा. And slowly bring it down, relax. Makarasan. Bring any knee closer to the chest. कोई भी घुटने को छाती के थोड़ा पास ले आए और विश्राम करे. शरीर को ढीला छोड़े. Relax your whole body. And slowly turn around, lie down on your back. पीठ के बल लेट जाए. Is also to make the mind calm. मन को शांत भी करता है आसन, अगर आप उसे ऑनर और रिस्पेक्ट, इफ यू डू इट विथ ऑनर एंड रिस्पेक्ट, आदर और सम्मान के साथ जब आसन को करते हैं तो वो मन को शांत करने का काम भी करेगा. नौकासन, hands, eyes and feet in one line. Those of us who have neck or back issues, do this alternative with me. This is the second most challenging asana of the sequence. Do as much as you can. होता है बहुत अच्छा, नहीं होता है कोशिश करेंगे करने की. And very slowly bring it down. Relax. Bring your right knee closer to the chest. Attempt to take your nose to the knee if you do not have any neck issues. अगर गर्दन में कोई तकलीफ ना हो तो नाक को घुटने से लगाने की चेष्टा कर सकते हैं. अर्ध पवन मुक्त आसन. Very effective for releasing the gases from the system and also improving the digestion. Slowly relax and bring your other knee closer to the chest. दूसरा घुटना शरीर के पास ले आए. Ardha Pavan Muktasan, left side. And relax. Purna Pavan Muktasan, bring both your knees closer to the chest and hug or pull your knees with the help of your hands. Attempt to take your nose between your knees if possible for you. For those who have neck issues, keep your neck on the floor, keep your head on the floor. And let go and relax. Purna Pavan Muktasan कहते हैं इसे. The next asana that we're going to do is called Setu Bandhasan or the bridge pose. Heels close to the body, एड़िया शरीर के पास, knees pointing to the ceiling, and lift your waist up. Push your hips towards the ceiling. Activate your glutes. Tuck your tailbone in. जो आपकी टेलबोन है उसको आप अंदर खींचने की कोशिश करेंगे तो आपके हिप्स अपने आप एक्टिवेट हो जाएंगे. ब्रिज पोज, very good for strengthening the glutes and the lower back. This also helps in hormonal balance because Your heart is above your head in this. The blood is flowing very easily towards your brain, helping you balance and produce hormones properly in the entire body. जब भी आपका सर हृदय से नीचे की ओर होता है तो खून का प्रभाव काफी अच्छा हो जाता है और वो बहुत ही फायदेमंद है. So it's like a mini inversion and slowly bring it down, relax. विश्राम करें. Extend your arms 90 degrees to the body. दोनों हाथों को 90 डिग्री पे रख दीजिए शरीर से. Keep your right foot on the left knee. दाएं पैर को बाएं घुटने पे रखें. Look to the right side and take your right knee to the left. Natragasana. The dancing Shiva pose. आप अपने दाएं घुटने को बाईं ओर लेकर गए हैं और बाएं हाथ से दाएं घुटने को जमीन की ओर दबा रहे हैं. यू आर यूजिंग द लेफ्ट हैंड टू प्रेस द राइट नी टुवर्ड्स द फ्लोर. Slowly come up. Look to the left. Keep your left foot on the right knee and take your left knee to the right side. If your knee doesn't touch the floor, it is absolutely fine. अगर घुटना पूरा जमीन तक नहीं लग रहा है तो कोई बात नहीं. जितना हो रहा है उतना करने की कोशिश करेंगे. And relax. विश्राम करें. पूरे शरीर को ढीला छोड़े. शवासन. Mentally, we are going to chant 3 times. I am healthy, I am happy. 3 बार मन में संकल्प लेंगे. मैं खुश हूं, मैं स्वस्थ हूं. दोहराए इसे 3 बार. Repeat it 3 times mentally. Notice each and every cell in the body feeling that positive vibe of health and happiness. And you have a natural smile on your face. चेहरे पे एक हल्की सी मुस्कुराहट है. Even if it is not, just fake it. अगर नहीं है तो fake कर सकते हैं, कोई बात. And slowly turn to your right side and sit up. दाहिनी करवट लेते हुए उठ के बैठ जाएंगे. Extend your legs. We'll do Ardha Matsyendrasana or Vakrasana. Cross your right leg over the left and twist on the right side. जो पैर ऊपर है, जैसे मेरा राइट पैर ऊपर है, तो आपको राइट डायरेक्शन में टर्न करना है. The leg which is up, you have to turn to that side. And let go. Cross your left leg over the right. Now my left leg is up, so I'm going to turn to the left side. So one side you're giving a massage to your liver and the other side you're giving a massage to your pancreas. And relax. Padmasana or Ardha Padmasana or Sukhasana. This is Sukhasana. This is Ardha Padmasana. And Padmasana is when you keep your legs crossed. But that's okay. इतना करने की जरूरत नहीं है. अर्धा पद्मासन किया तो भी बहुत अच्छा. ये भी टफ लग रहा है. सुखासन कर सकते हैं. आराम से बैठे. Take your hands up. Stretch your body up. Parvatasana. Like a mountain, you have to extend your spine. आपकी रीढ़ की हड्डी को आप ऊपर की ओर ले जाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. This will increase the spacing between your vertebrae and relax. दिन भर because of gravity all day long, your vertebrae are going downwards and you're manually stretching it up to release the tension. And Yoga Mudra. Make a fist of your right hand, hold your right wrist with your left at the back and go forward and down. And very slowly come back up. We will do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam that we learned today. So if you want to, you can practice any pranayam. We are going to do Nadi Shodhan for now, but if you wish to, you can do Bhastrika, you can do Bhramari as well. Left hand Chin Mudra, right hand index and middle finger between your eyebrows, thumb on the right nostril, ring finger on the left. Breathe in. Close your right, breathe out left.